I've been doing a Memories of My Father series, and the memory that I remember today was that when I was under 10 years old, my father was the manager of a textile factory, a spinning factory. It had these really, really long machines, and it had an automated arm that went up and down, cleaning the machine. And also, if the yarn broke, then this automatic machine would knot the yarn back together, the threads. This was in about 1970. So automation was already happening in textile factories in 1970. The other thing is that the windows had one-way glass. And so people would walk past and, for example, do their makeup, look at the window, and it was quite funny. We would look at them from inside, and if they were half a meter or more from the glass, then they would see a mirror. If they came right up to the glass, they would suddenly get a fright because they can see inside and they could see us. But a lot of the time they didn't do that. They just walked past, and then they did their hair, or they did their makeup, or they put on lipstick, or whatever it was. If they were men, maybe they adjusted their tie, I don't know. But, that was one of my memories. The other thing was that my father was always into gadgets and electronics, and in his office he had a big old, what wasn't old at the time, old now, 1970 was a few years ago, but he had a big TV mounted vertically, and this TV, he had cameras all over the factory, and in his office you could see what was happening in the factory, you could see the machinery working and so on. So this was closed circuit TV back in 1970, some happy memories of growing up with my dad. Okay, cool. Ciao.